Hey guys, we're ready for our Morocco adventure. Our flight leaves at 6:30 in the morning and we get there at 7:30, which is very early. And luckily the guest house will be ready to at least take our suitcases, which as you can see, we are all packed. We're all packed, not too much, and considering that we are traveling with a toddler. She's bathed and ready, and we are ready to go to our adventure. We hope you'll join us. We plan on posting every day for at least 2 weeks if everything goes well. If you like what you see, please like, subscribe and comment, also very important for us. And okay, so we'll see you there. Hey guys, we are now at the airport and the time is 6 in the morning. Our flight leaves in about half an hour. People are already boarding. So yeah, 6 in the morning, we made it. We're alive. Everything is good. I guess we'll see you in Morocco.
Yes.
Okay, we are in Morocco.
Yes.
We're in Tangier.
Yay. We just landed.
We just landed. Here's our airport. Arrivals. Yay, we're here.
Yes.
Okay.
We're right. We're starting our
The adventure is starting now.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so we are on the way to Tangier Beach.
Yeah.
One of them.
One of them.
And
beautiful.
yeah, we got a little bit lost, but not too much. The beach is quite close to where we are. We'll do a room review a bit later when we get the room.
Yeah.
We came a bit early for it.
But,
look at this beautiful blue.
Yes.
Yeah.
We got lost too, but we managed to see the King's Palace.
Yes,
but
we
we're
have.
not allowed to film there.
No filming around the King's Palace. And apparently filming in Morocco is not the simplest because you need sometimes permission from people and probably they don't feel very comfortable being in front of the camera, so you have to be a bit more vigilant while using the camera here, but it doesn't seem to be too much of a problem. Okay, so here we are, very close to the beach. Tangier Coast, the Tangier Marina over there. So as you can see, it seems very calm here. I thought it would be a bit more hectic, a bit more people moving around like in many other third world countries that I've been in, but it's very, very calm, very relaxed. The people here are extremely nice. They helped us find the hotel. The taxi driver was nice. Nobody's trying to rip you off so far. But we'll see how this goes. So far, so good. Okay, guys. So we'll see you at the next attraction. Okay, so this is Tangier Kasbah.
Yeah.
What's inside, I'm not sure yet. I think the big mosque is in here and like a market. So anyway, we're going to go inside and show you guys around. Here is the Tangier Kasbah. Okay.
See you there.
Our first adventure.
Yes. Ay, vamos.
Bab Kasbah. Bab Kasbah.
That's gonna be the main. Hey,
So we are here at an observatory, and we climbed all the way from down there up here with the baby stroller with stairs.
yeah.
Not a pathway, stairs. How many stairs? As many as there can be. Like
Yeah.
all the stairs in the world. Everything. We had to climb up everything in order to bring the baby up here, but it was worth it.
Yeah, the view is
Right?
amazing.
Yeah, the view is amazing.
Wow.
So this is another angle of the city.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Okay. Okay, so this is the palace of the king.